In question number 7, part A, we have to express 7 sine plus 24 cos in the form r cos of theta minus alpha, giving the value of alpha correct to 4 decimal place. Now, in the first step, we know that r is given as a squared plus b squared. So that would be equals to square root of 7 squared plus 24 squared. Substituting this in the calculator, that would be equals to 25. And alpha is equals to tan inverse of b upon a. So we'll get tan inverse of b is 24 upon 7. Substituting this in the calculator, and we have to make sure our calculator is in radian mode. So the value of alpha would be equals to, and we have to give our answer correct to 4 decimal place. So substituting this in the calculator, that would be equals to 0.2838. So that is the value of r and alpha. Once we have that, we can write our answer as 25 cos of theta minus 0.2838. In part B, it says, hence solve the equation 7 sine 1 upon 3x plus 24 cos 1 upon 3x equals to 24.5. Now, in the first step, we can write this as 25, and it was theta or x over here, and it was 1 theta. So if it is 1 upon 3, so this will also become x upon 3. So we can write this as 25 cos of, and we can write it as x upon 3 minus 0.2838 equals to 24.5. So 25 will divide on the left right hand side, and we'll get cos of x upon 3 minus 0.2838 equals to 24.5 upon 25, and then x upon 3 minus 0.2838 would be equals to, so this is not 28, this has to be 25. So that would be cos inverse of 24.5 divided by 25. Now substituting this into our calculator, we'll get, so shift cos inverse of 24.5 divided by 25. So that would be equals to 0.200. So x upon 3 minus 0.2838 would be equals to 0.200. So x upon 3 would be equals to 0.200 plus 0.2838. So zero point 0.2 plus 0.2838. And then we'll multiply this answer by 3. So plus 0.2838. And then multiplying by 3. One of the values would be x equals to 1.452. And to three significant figures, that would be 1.45. Now, what we also know is that cos is positive in the, so this is x upon 3. So cos is positive in the first and the fourth quadrant. So we make 0.2 over here and 0.2 over here. So the other angle would be 2 pi minus 0.2. So that would be written as 2 into pi minus 0.2 and plus 0.2838 multiplying by 3, but that is coming as a very large answer, so this answer will not be possible. So we'll have to check if there is any other solution in this range. One of the answers is x equals to 1.45. And can we take any other value? Let's check. Okay, so one more thing that we can always think about is, and I will draw a graph over here to explain it. So let's say a normal cos graph basically looks like this. So this is like a sine graph over here. Let me first sketch a rough cos graph. So this is what a cos graph looks like. And it is the same on the negative end as well. Now this basically means a translation to the right. So in actually what that means is that when this is equals to 24.5 upon 25, that is around 0.9 something. So maybe one of the solutions has moved to the positive side. So what we can do is take the negative value as well and check if it lies in the range. So what we can do is check with zero point 0.2 as well, sorry, negative 0.200. And we'll get x upon 3 is equals to negative zero point 0.2 plus 0.2838, and then x would be equals to, so we'll put this in the calculator, minus 0.2 plus 0.2838, and then multiply by 3. So we are getting 0.2514 over here, and as it lies in our range, so x would be equals to x 0.25, and no other answer would be lying in this range. So it is important that we also check with the negative value as well, because if it lies within our range, as this negative sign adds up over here, and we have another value that lies in the range from 0 to pi. So the only two possible answers would be x equals to 1.45 and x equals to 0.25.